Why does decluttering your home always seem to take way longer than expected? Let's uncover the surprising truth behind it. Welcome back to Modern Minimalism. If you're frustrated with the never-ending decluttering process, this video is for you. Today, we'll uncover why decluttering often feels like it takes forever and how you can finally make real progress. Decluttering can be a daunting task, and many of us struggle to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Some common reasons include emotional attachment to items, feeling overwhelmed, or simply not having a clear plan. It's easy to start with enthusiasm, but quickly lose momentum. If you find yourself constantly battling clutter, don't worry, we're here to help. Before we dive into the details, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to our channel for more tips on minimalist living and decluttering. Let's explore 6 practical tips to help you overcome these decluttering obstacles and finally see progress. 1. Decluttering. Jar. Write down each decluttering task on a slip of paper and place them in a jar. Every day or week, draw a slip from the jar and focus on completing that specific task. This adds an element of surprise and keeps the process interesting. 2. Create a visual decluttering map. Start by drawing a map of your home and marking areas that need decluttering. Visualizing the problem areas can help you strategize and tackle one section at a time, making the process feel less overwhelming. 3. Reverse hanger trick. Turn all the hangers in your closet backwards. Each time you wear an item, return it to the closet with the hanger facing the correct way. After a few months, you'll easily see which clothes you never wear, making it easier to decide what to keep and what to let go. 4. Don't shift your clutter. Instead of moving items from one room to another, aim to reduce the overall number of items. Shifting clutter only relocates the problem rather than solving it. Commit to sorting through items and deciding their fate immediately. 5. One in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, commit to removing one existing item. This rule helps prevent new clutter from accumulating and encourages mindful purchasing habits. And remember, I've put a link in the description and comment section for a 30-day challenge planner. My friends, family, and I have used this planner, and it has been a game changer for us. Check it out to kickstart your decluttering journey. 6. Set a decluttering deadline. Give yourself a realistic deadline to complete your decluttering project. Having an end date creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. It also prevents the task from dragging on indefinitely. The most critical factor in successful decluttering is changing your mindset towards possessions. Embracing a minimalist lifestyle means valuing experiences over things and letting go of items that no longer serve a purpose in your life. This shift in perspective not only helps you declutter more effectively, but also leads to long-term success in maintaining a clutter-free home. It's not just about getting rid of stuff. It's about creating a space that brings you joy and peace. Let's recap. The key strategies for effective decluttering include creating a visual decluttering map, using a decluttering jar, applying the reverse hanger trick, following the one in, one out rule, not shifting your clutter, and setting a decluttering deadline. By following these tips and embracing a minimalist mindset, you can achieve a clutter-free home and a more organized, peaceful lifestyle. We'd love to hear about your decluttering experiences. Share them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more organization tips and minimalist living advice. See you in this next video.